Hello guys, hi everyone. Today I came back here with another London session trade. So actually I was waiting for this setup for around like an hour or so. So let's get into it real quick and see if we are gonna get a trade or not. So I'm gonna start with the top-down analysis as always. So as you can see on the weekly time frame, we are really bearish, kinda. I believe this candle is just creating a bottom wick to just go up. Sorry about that. Let me clear my chart clear quick. That's much better. So as we can see, there is some sort of support over here on the weekly time frame, but I believe price broke above it. So because today is Monday, I believe the price is going bullish depending on the last week because there is a range to fill to this side. I believe it's a clean traffic on the weekly, but we don't take swing trades. So let's drop to the lower time frame. So I was just checking the news, so there's nothing interesting. Only Euro Bank holiday. Okay, so I think there is nothing interesting related to the dollar or gold. So let's get into it. And as we can see here, there is also some sort of support on the lower time frame. Sorry, in the daily. Yeah, and on the 4 hour, yep, it's much clearer now. It's right about here. Yep, I believe that's it. hmm So yeah, and actually we've been moving bullish for some times, and we close above this area. So I believe we have a range to fill, like around 300 pip range. Yes, till this area over here. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, but this week I believe we will fill this range in this week. So let's just draw our support and resistance line. Yep, and there's actually around here. I'm just checking if this is like a strong support or resistance line. So the more it has weaks and rejections, like see like this one over here, maybe like this one. So the more it has rejections from this line, the more you know that it is a strong or a weak line. As you can see here too, also this one, price closed above it and then created a support and then boom. So that's what we are looking for currently around here. Exactly. So as we see on the 30 minutes time frame, we were like consolidating for a little bit, and then we break and close above this area. So this is the setup I was waiting for actually, and it's more looks very clear on the 15 minutes time frame. So what I want to see now, uh, it's actually this candle break above this week, and I'm gonna enter the trade whenever it broke above this week because it already broke the low. So if it broke the high, there is a high probability that the price will, yeah, that the price will go till 3372. Yep, for around 100 pip range. That's where the next resistance are, right about here. Really clean traffic to the left hand side. I like that, and it is a Monday, So on Monday it's kind of tricky. So and I should be careful, and that's why I just waited for the. I'm waiting for the hour candle to close, the previous hourly, I think. I mean, yeah, and that's pretty much it. We also have a little week to fill to this side, so I believe I can go break even after it fill this week and manage my trade accordingly. I'm actually thinking to just enter on the flip. The flip or the break of the week. So because it broke the low, I believe there is a good chance that it will go fill this week, and I don't want a big stop loss, so that's why it's already 20 pips. Mm. I think I will wait for the next 15 minutes probably, or just enter on the. Yeah, I think I will just wait. Sorry about these lines, it's simulator lines, but I don't know how to remove them actually. Yeah, I tried before, but alright, guys, so I'm just gonna wait, and if there is anything interesting or I going to enter the trade, I will come back to you. Mm, Guys, I took this trade with a half risk because I didn't like this closure over here, but I am anticipating the London session volume to push the price above and break. Yeah, as I was saying, yes, I'm just anticipating the London time volume. But regarding the break, I didn't like it at all because it's really small wick and it's not. And also the candle didn't break this previous high, so that's why I just took it with the half risk. It's not the full risk. So and I'm just risking 0.5% of this account right here. So let's see how does this go. I prefer looking just at the pips, not at the money, because it's better for managing the trade and your emotion, and it is also good for your psychology. So it makes me not attached to the value, or I mean to the money. And that's pretty much it. So 30 minutes, you can see there is like high volume, a lot of volatility. So let's wait for this 30-minute candle to close. And if it closed if it closed nicely, I will show you how I would like this 30-minute candle to close, so I can add the rest of my risk. So looking for a pen, I think that's it. So I'd like this candle to close like this, uh, and this week is above, like this, the 30-minute candle. But it close above this range, preferably this week to break this week. So awesome. So it will be a really nice trade. I think it's fine. It's just I wanted to manage the risk, but it's just 2 pips. So exactly as anticipated, it's just 0.5%. Now we will wait for the 30-minute candle to close. We got like 10 pips. Yeah, it's not that good. It was not enough to close. I closed mostly at 15 to 20 pips, and this 10 pips was like really small.